Good morning, everyone. Today is Monday. It is approximately 9:30 a.m. and I'm starving. I woke up like at 7 and I sat there and watched YouTube videos and played with my dogs until I decided that I'm gonna die of starvation. So here I am, desperately needing nourishment because I'm so hungry. So I thought that I wanted to show you guys what I eat in a day. It's kind of for me as well, so that way I know, just to kind of keep a log of how I'm eating, as well as some of the recipes that I have. So I thought I would show you guys what I eat in a day as a new vegan. I have been vegan for about a month now, and I know some people have been asking me questions about how, why, what do I eat? Is it restrictive? Things like that. So I wanted to show you guys that it's not restrictive. It's very easy to do, and delicious, honestly. So I actually have a weird schedule for work. I work from 12 to 9 p.m. So right now, like I said, it's about 9:30. I usually make my breakfast about now, or a little bit earlier than now, actually. I take some time to edit, look at emails, clean up the house a little bit. And yeah, and then like around 11 before I go to work, I start making my lunch. I work, and then when I take my lunch break for work, I make my dinner. So not that you really needed to know my schedule, but there it is. So I'm gonna start with some breakfast. I'm kind of craving biscuits. I know they're not the healthiest, but I don't think I've had a biscuit in like about a month since I've started my vegan journey. So I'm really excited to make it because I love biscuits. Also, we've been decorating the house a lot lately because my brother is having his graduation party or after party here, I guess. And so we're having a lot of friends and family come over. But we haven't decorated this house since we moved in last year, really. So we got some stuff, started decorating, and I think once we're done, which is very close, we're almost done. Once we're done, I may be doing an apartment tour finally. So we'll see if that happens. But yeah, let's just jump into the food because I'm going to die, honestly. So warm and like flaky and delicious looking, and I'm excited to eat a biscuit. My mouth is literally watering right now. It's so good. I don't know if it's like a big deal for you guys or other people that don't live in Texas, but like biscuits and gravy are a thing here, okay? and even just biscuits and like jelly or something, which is what I'm eating. But like, it's a thing. So I'm gonna try to explain this as quickly as possible because I need to work in like 5 minutes. I was too busy playing Fortnite, I didn't realize the time, so I didn't start cooking my lunch. And everything's a mess. Don't worry about that. If I don't say what I did or put in this, I will just list everything in the description box for this recipe. Everything that I'm making today will be in my blog, so click the link down below to get the recipe since I'm not saying it here. Basically, all I did is I have some garlic, ginger, some of that sambal, I think it's called sambal, chili paste, some mushrooms, and then I put about half of one of these vegetable broth, half the box in here, and I'm just mixing that up. I will probably go and add some like soy sauce and rice vinegar, sesame oil, things like that later, but I'm gonna let this chill and do its thing and just kind of cook. I'm also gonna be adding some green onions and bok choy to this once it heats up more, and then I'll season it and it should be good, and I'll taste it and I'll let you guys know if anything needs to get added. But for right now I need to go to work, so my fingers are doing the talking. Okay, bye.